Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Big Mike took the 10-hour trip from Michigan to get the audio upgraded on his bike. We ended up with 4 sound digital amplifiers, all Beyma speakers, 6.5 in the fairings, 8s in the lowers, 8s in the lids, 10s in the bags. We did 2 amplifiers in the fairing, 2 in the tour pack, 2 limitless lithium batteries, 1 in the factory location under the seat, 1 in the tour pack. Pretty badass build. Bike came out great, looks great, sounds great. He's completely happy with it. Check out what we did for him.
In the club, just showing little love, represent your side like me. From me, if you stick, you put your hand on it. One shot, got a couple of them down. Belvedere in the rear with a club, pulled up on dubs, so we about to go and buy the bar up. So we ain't playing, hang with no ladies, walking straight. Hey, where the party at? Me and her is on the way with a Bacardi at. Yes, we do. I know the mind is talking all of that. You know I can't forget about my Everybody got choices. These niggas be hating, I already know, but I never go broke. No, no.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mike took the 10-hour trip from Michigan to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Are you completely happy the way it sounds?
Yes, I am.
Was it worth the trip?
Yes, it was.
Thank you, sir.